Hello students, in previous YouTube link we have completed our page number 48, that is past continuous tense. Now on the next page, page number 49, it is the last page of our lesson, right? यहाँ पे हमारा lesson finish हो जाएगा marching to freedom. So come to page number 49, very firstly you have speak and shine. Share your thoughts. Pair up with a partner and share your thoughts about गांधी जी. आपको क्या करना है? गांधी जी के बारे में कुछ अपने थॉट्स शेयर करने हैं. दिस इज एन ओरल वर्क. विच वर्क? ओरल वर्क. नेक्स्ट इज लैंग्वेज. कंप्लीट द प्रॉम्प्ट्स. इट मीन्स समथिंग प्रॉम्प्ट इज गिवन टू यू, आपको बाकी का कंप्लीट करना है. राइट अ पैराग्राफ टू कंप्लीट ईच गिवन प्रॉम्प्ट. यूज एटलीस्ट 3 एडजेक्टिव नाउन पेयर्स. नाउ सी, सिचुएशन इज गिवन टू यू, दैट इज प्रॉम्प्ट इज गिवन टू यू, बाकी का आपको कंप्लीट करना है. द फर्स्ट वन इज आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर द स्कूल बस when suddenly it means बाकी का remaining part you have to complete. The watchman was closing the gate when, again do you know क्या हो गया आगे? No, this you have to complete in your HW book. Okay, anyone, या फिर ये लिखो या फिर ये लिखो. Okay, should I give you a hint? Okay, मैं आपको एक hint देती हूँ. I will just read a simple thing what I had written as a prompt. Okay, now see, I had chosen the first one. I was waiting for the school bus when suddenly a huge truck came and splashed muddy water. Muddy water is an adjective noun. Muddy water, right? Muddy क्या हो गया? Adjective. Water is noun. In this way you have to write the remaining part. I was waiting for the school bus when suddenly a huge truck came and splashed muddy water on all the children. We were all confused what to do, but we came to a quick decision. Quick decision क्या हो गया? Adjective noun word. Okay. So in this way you have to complete the remaining part. I had just given you a hint. Now see the next one. The watchman was closing the gate. Okay. The watchman was closing the gate when he saw a shadow walk towards him. He felt sweat trickle down his back in the chilly weather. So chilly weather is adjective noun. Chilly is the adjective, weather is the noun. He was might scared and he directed the bright light. Bright light is adjective noun. So students, in this way मैंने आपको hint दी है, आपको वैसे ही complete करना है in your HW book. Choose any one topic. कोई एक topic के आप ऊपर आप अपने मन से कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. ओके, नाउ कम टू द लास्ट वन. पुट योर ईयर्स टू इट. ट्रैक नंबर 5. सेम, आई विल रीड अ ट्रैक फॉर यू एंड यू हैव टू पॉइंट डाउन द आंसर. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. नाउ आई विल गिव यू अ डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ एन हिस्टोरिक इवेंट. मैं आपको एक हिस्टोरिक इवेंट की डिस्क्रिप्शन दूंगी. यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द मिसिंग डिटेल्स. ओके, it was in August 1942 that Gandhiji launched the Quit India movement or Bharat Chodo Andolan. So, Dash launched the Quit India movement in Dash 1942. So, tell me what should be the answers. Can you tell me who had launched the Andolan? Gandhiji. Write the spelling of Gandhiji. Gandhiji. Gandhiji launched the Quit India movement in August. August. August 1942. Now listen to the track again. The movement was inspired by Gandhiji's slogan "Do or die" or "Karo ya maro." So the movement was inspired by the Gandhiji's slogan. Slogan क्या था? Do or die. So how are you going to write? Put one inverted comma, make a dot like this and give a slight up. Do. D-O, do. O-R, or. D-I-E. Students, ये slogan है इसलिए हमने D capital लिखा है. Do or die. Again, और हिंदी में क्या था उसका वर्जन? करो या मरो. Again, put inverted comma. करो, K-A-R-O, करो. Y-A, या. M-A-R-O, मरो, करो या मरो. So what was the slogan? Do or die or करो या मरो. Hundreds of thousands of Indians joined the movement. They all wanted freedom from British Raj. So the movement was started to gain freedom from ये मूवमेंट क्यों स्टार्ट हुआ था? द मूवमेंट वॉज स्टार्टेड टू गेन फ्रीडम फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिश राज, BRITISH, ब्रिटिश RAG, राज। मूवमेंट किस लिए स्टार्ट हुआ था? फॉर गेटिंग फ्रीडम फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिश राज। Now listen carefully. They all wanted freedom from British Raj. While the government arrested all leaders, the common people did not stop. They held demonstrations all over the country. People carried the Indian flag while demonstrating to show their love to the country. So, what did people carried? Read the next line. People carried the dash to show their love for the country. People लोग के हाथों में क्या था? Indian flag. I should be capital. INDIEN, Indian, and F capital, FLAG, flag, Indian flag. Now listen carefully. I'm going to continue. People carried the Indian flag while demonstrating to show their love for the country. The British tried to suppress the movement. It was not possible for the police to handle such large groups of people. So the army was called out. The demonstrators were lathi charged and even shot at. Police arrested and jailed as many demonstrators they could, but nothing could stop the people. Now, as the seed for total freedom had been sowed, all Indians wanted just one thing: complete freedom. So, what is the last? All Indians wanted just one thing. सारे Indians को क्या चाहिए था? Complete freedom. COMPLETE, complete. FREE, free. DOM, dumb, complete freedom. Understood, students? In this way, we have to complete your page 49. It means we are going to end up with our lesson number 4. यहाँ पे हमने हमारा lesson number 4 finish कर लिया. Remember, this you can write in HW book and this you have to complete in workbook only. आपको ये workbook में ही complete करना है. Okay? Complete it, write it in a good handwriting. Listen to the video carefully. Okay? Bye bye.